Hello my friends, how are you doing? Here is my room tour. I will upload it in two versions. One is 360, so you can look around yourself. The other one is going to be directed by me in 1080p. Decide whichever you want. Let's get started with the room tour here, and it's pretty cool. First of all, I want to show you my window view. You can see here I got some skyscrapers, some amazing plants here, palm trees and flowers, all this cool stuff. This is what I see every day. Of course, the rest of the room is also really cool. It has indirect lighting, so it is really beautiful at night. Over here we have this decoration element, which is cool. And here, little seating area where it's really relaxing to read, to chill. Reading light also here, pretty awesome. Over here, as you can see, I have my little workstation here where I do all my YouTube stuff. My mic is over here, my laptop, my webcam, all that stuff you need to create interesting stuff for you, of course. And over here, I have a little bit of entertainment. 1080p screen. Netflix and Amazon Prime is provided by the hotel, which is really awesome because I'm right now in Thailand, so I get Thai movies, Korean movies, Chinese movies, Japanese movies, a lot of cool stuff. Asia has some of the best movies out there, really cool visuals, really cool stories. I love the, how can I say, Asian mythologies, all this kind of stuff, so that's really awesome. Well, let's go on here. We have, as you can see, coffee, milk, sugar. I can make my own. There is a water cooker here, so I can make my own hot coffee in the morning. I get my food every single day in these plastic containers. When I arrived, I chose what I want to eat. They don't really have much vegan options. Most of it is either pork or chicken, but the food is really good, so that's pretty cool. And you get also toilet paper and tissues and soap for washing. A little Brillo pad, I haven't used it yet. You get water rations here, so you have enough to drink for these 10 days that I have to stay in this room here. So yeah, everything is provided for you to have a good time. Over here is my bed, a really big bed as you can see. I have 4 pillows, 2 of them are soft, 2 of them are harder, which is nice when you want to watch movies or sit in the bed to read. You have some more support to lie on that pillow, so that is really nice. You also have, as you can see here, have a look here, we have all these light controls. I can control all the lights from the bed. What else? I have some cool art over my bed. It's a little bit of Thai style, Asian style art, I would say. Really nice, I really enjoy that. And here's the bathroom that I can see from my bed, and as you can see here, you see this indirect lighting, so that is all pretty awesome. Let's go inside, have a little look here. So, well, there's a really big mirror here, of course a sink, everything you need is also provided. I do have a bathtub here, and there is this window in between. You can also let down a little blend here if you want to have more privacy. I'm alone in the room, of course, so no need for that for me. There is a separate shower over here that I use every day, of course, and there is a toilet. Well, what you need to be happy. So yeah, this is my room. Let me know if you have questions. Subscribe for more, of course. And yeah, I will spend some more time here, and then hopefully I can go to Krabi. I want to go to PP Island, but right now it's limited because of the pandemic. So I have to see how far I can get. It's an adventure. I have to deal with all the problems, but I'm looking forward to having a cool time. See you soon. Bye.